So we were out on a walk, in typical Melbourne fashion. The weather turned on us. So we just found a little park bench, sit and wait. We're very close to water, ducks, which is what he loves. There's one right there. It's probably about 6 or 7 metres away from us. He has 7 metres in this lead. See what he does. He's watching them, he's curious. All the lead is on the ground, so if he took off now, he would literally pull my arm out of its socket and it would hurt. So I've got put some trust in him that he's not going to do that. And just let him watch them. There's heaps over there. In the water, out of the water. And water is his favourite thing. Oh wow. And this is what doing, saying nothing gives you. These ducks here are about maybe 6 or 7 metres away from where we're sitting. It's just here, they're just there. And he's chosen to do this. Doing nothing works.